This is day 4 for 7th grade on the 30-day packet. The directions say use the distributive property when necessary, combine like terms to finish simplifying. So number 1, the first thing we need to do is distribute. So my first multiplication problem is 0.2 times 3b minus 0.2 times 15c. So 0.2 times 3 is 0.6b, and 0.2 times 15 is 3c. Now, because these are not the same variables, we cannot combine them. So our final answer for this problem is 0.6b minus 3c. Number 2, I'm going to first write my problem as addition, simply because we have a subtraction sign before the 3. So my new problem is going to be 5x plus negative 3 times x plus negative 2 plus negative x. So now I'm going to distribute, and my new problem is 5x plus negative 3x plus negative 3 times negative 2 is positive 6 plus negative x. So now I can combine like terms. I have 5x, negative 3x, and negative x. Now, if you remember, any variable that does not have a number in front of it is going to have 1 as its coefficient, because 1 times any number is itself. So 5x plus negative 3x, those are unlike signs, so we're going to subtract, which is 2x. So 2x plus negative 1x, again, unlike signs. So 2 plus negative 1, or 2 minus 1, is 1x plus 6. You can also write this as x plus 6. Number 3, we have to distribute first. Again, I'm going to write this as addition first. So I have 8.3 plus 3.4y plus negative 0.5 times 12y plus negative 7. So I am going to distribute first. So I have 8.3 plus 3.4y negative 0.5 times 12 is negative 6y, and negative 0.5 times negative 7 is positive 3.5. So now I'm going to combine like terms. I can combine my y's, but I can also combine my constants here. So I'm going to do my constants first. 8.3 plus 3.5 is 11.8. And 3.4 plus negative 6 is negative 2.6y. So here is your final answer for number 3. All right, number 4, again, we're going to have to distribute. So my first multiplication problem is going to be 3 times 7x plus 3 times 8, and then plus 5. And remember, on ones like this, you do not distribute the 3 to the 5 because it is not inside parentheses. So 3 times 7x is 21x plus 3 times 8 is 24 plus 5. I'm going to combine my constants. So I have 21x plus 29. Number 5, there is no distributing here, so the only thing we're going to do is combine like terms. So my first set of like terms are my variable portions. I have 3x. And 7x. And then I also have my constants, which is 1/2 and -4.5. So I'm going to combine my variable portions first. 3x plus 7x is 10x. Then I have to think about what my 4.5 is. The subtraction sign in front of it makes it a negative. So I have -4.5, which is 4.5. And then I'm adding half to that, which means I would subtract the 2, which would give me 4. And because -4.5 is a greater absolute value, that is negative. So my final answer is 10x minus 4. You could also have 10x plus -4. Either one of those would work. Okay, and number 6. In this situation, they put an operation with 2 terms in parentheses. However, there is nothing on the outside of that parentheses that tells us we need to distribute. So we can just ignore the parentheses and we're going to combine like terms. The first things that I have in common are my variable portions. I have -0.25x and 1.5x. And then I also have my constants, which is 3 and 1.4. So -0.25 plus 1.5 is 1.25x, and 3 plus 1.4 is 4.4. If you have any questions, please contact me. Thanks for watching.